Living life on the road where dreams take flight. In our motorhome under stars so bright. With our dogs by our side in a world left to roam. Finding adventure wherever we call home.
Right, Andrew, where are we off to today?
Well, we're off to, where are we off to? That's a good question. Alko, aren't we? We're going to Alko, yeah. We're off to Alko. We're off to their brand new customer service centre in Southam. And why are we going there?
We are going there to see Monty.
Oh, we're not taking hold of Monty yet. No.
Not yet,
We're still
not yet.
waiting for the DVLA to decide to register it. So why are we going there?
We're going, no, you have to do the technical bit.
Oh, okay.
We are going because Monty has just been fitted with its new levelling system.
Yeah, so we've had the HY4 Hydraulic Levelling System that's been put on Monty, and we're going today to learn how it works, have a demonstration, and pay the bill, which is probably going to be the most painful part. But we'll take you along with us and show you how it all works as well. So come along for the journey. So here we are, arrived at Alko's brand new customer training and reception service centre. Here it is in Southam, all brand spanking new, with a map on the wall of all their service centres around, and Southam, there it is, listed on the wall. Here we are, and the wonderful Leanne, who's been helping us. Give a wave, Leanne. So here we are, we've arrived at Alko in their brand spanking new customer service centre in Southam. Very impressive place it is as well. We had our level C system put on here on the caravan as well a couple of years back, but now it's time to demonstrate and have a look at the HY4 system levelling system, which is designed specifically for motorhomes. Clever bit of kit. Not only does it level, but it also weighs the vehicle, and we'll show you how that works in a moment. So first of all, here's the control, plugged into Monty. Ready to go, and you switch it on simply by pressing and holding the button. All the lights come on, and it's very technical. You've got to have a real degree in electronics to work this out. There's an up button and a down button, and other way around, up button and a down button, and in order to level it, you simply press the down button, and that's it. Sit back, pour yourself a beer, off it goes. control now. It's all finished making its noises. There's a little green dot in the centre there to say that it's all been levelled. Switch it off. That's the system completely levelled. Rock solid, not going to go anywhere. And it's done all the calculations and calibrations itself. In order to retract it, press and hold the button to wake up the remote control again. And then simply press the up arrow. And off it goes. So the clever thing with the HY4 system is that it weighs the vehicle for you as well, saves you taking it to a weighbridge, make sure that you stay well within the law, and it weighs not only the overall payload of the vehicle, but it'll also weigh each axle individually, and we'll show you that in a second. So here's the app. Into the app, click on connect to link, accept everything. The important thing to note is that this handset has to be switched on with all the lights on in order for it to connect and to work. When you go into the app, you've got two options, HY4. If you click on the HY4 option, then you have the exact same as the handset but on the phone. So exactly the same, all the controls, everything that you want is all there mirrored, and you can control it exactly the same. Just to talk about a couple of the other buttons on here though at this point, which is quite clever, you'll notice here there's a bed and here there's a water tank picture. The bed means basically that you can press that button with a one-touch button control, and it will lift all the wheels off the ground and lift the whole thing up into storage mode, sleep mode, hence the bed. And so it will be all off the wheels, takes the pressure off the wheels, stops the wheels wearing or bulging. The water tank you can set up so that you press that button once and it will tilt the van automatically up to whichever side you want in order to aid the extraction of water from your waste tank, so that all the water will run out off of the tank properly. It's in auto mode. You do have a man button here. If you press man, you can put it into manual, and then you can automatically you can manually adjust each ram depending on what you want. So we've gone back into the main center. We've seen the HY4 control. Now we're going to go to weighing, and we're going to set the system up to weigh. It's very simple. Here it is, big green button, weigh now. You click on weigh now. It says check the vehicle, make sure it's safe and there's nothing around. Confirm that you've checked it, and off it goes. The rams are extending and the vehicle started weighing. So halfway through, it just asks you to confirm that the wheels are off the ground. So if you have a little look down, you'll see that all the wheels are off the ground, and the whole vehicle is lifted right up into the air. Okay, so so once you've confirmed that, and they've confirmed that all the wheels are off the ground, you just tick all of the wheels to show. If one of them wasn't quite off the ground and there was a problem, then you could manually adjust it at that point before you press continue, and the weighing will begin. So the vehicle's now been weighed, and at this point it's going to lower it back down to the ground before it gives me the results. So this is where it's asking you again just to check and make sure for safety that there's nothing underneath it, because the wheels, remember, are now off the ground at this point. So the whole vehicle weight is about to drop back down. So we've checked it. The vehicle's now lowered. The rams are being retracted. So there we go, the vehicle's back down on the floor again, and this display screen you'll notice is showing that the total weight is 3,449 kilograms. It tells me at the bottom that the maximum weight of this vehicle is 4,500 kilograms, that's with its payload, so we've got just about a ton of payload available to us to go in. But it also breaks it down and tells you that the front axle is 1,671 kilograms, and it's rated at a maximum capacity of 2,100, so just over 2 ton, and the rear axle currently is weighing in at 1,778 kilograms, and the maximum rating for the rear axle is 2,500 kilograms. So there we go, all very clever. That's it, quick whistle stop tour of the HY4 Alko automatic levelling system for motorhomes.
Ships carry dreams across the endless sea.